before going to see the volume or shape of the volume, we first try to draw a rough sketch of the given curve. Okay, and the curve is y, this is equal to x minus x cube, and this is y equal to x into 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square, that is x into 1 minus x into 1 plus x. Clearly, this curve cut the x-axis or meet the x-axis at x equal to 0, x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 1. Okay, and we mark this 3 point, x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to minus 1. And if we put x equal to 0 to 1, then we see that the value of the curve is positive. The value of the y is positive. So the curve in 0, 1 is look like this. Okay, and in 0 minus 1, this is negative because here x present, and the curve in 0 minus 1, this is look like this. So this is the rough sketch of the given curve. And to find the maximum height, okay, we here find the maximum point where the y is maximum. To find, we differentiate dy dx, this is equal to 1 minus 3x square, this is equal to 0. So x, this is equal to plus minus 1 by root 3. And if we differentiate one more time d2y dx2, then we get this is minus 6x. So this is less than 0 at x equal to 1 by root 3. And it is clear that x equal to 1 by root 3, x equal to 1 by root 3 is the maximum point, and this point is given by a. The coordinate of a is 1 by root 3, comma y, this is equal to 1 by root 3 minus 1 by 3 root 3. So this is 2 by 3 root 3. This is 2 by 3 root 3. Okay, and since the volume is formed by revolving the first quadrant, area of the first quadrant, so this is not required. This portion is not required. Okay, now if we revolve this curve that is in the first quadrant and the shaded portion is revolved, then the rough sketch of the volume is look like this. Sorry, this is look like this, and this is clearly symmetric about y-axis because the revolution made about y-axis. Okay, and this is minus 1 0, this is 1 0, and this is also minus 1 by root 3, comma 2 by 3 root 3. Okay, this is a dash. And due to symmetry of the volume, we say that the coordinate of the volume of revolution is given by g equal to 0, y bar, because the CG is lies on the y-axis. Okay, so the x coordinate of CG is 0, this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Now if we take any point P, the coordinate of the point xy, and we consider a circular ring, okay, look like this, and it has a breadth this type. This is the breadth of the circular ring. Let the breadth is dy, and the radius is x, so the volume is pi x square dy, and we multiply with rho and get the elementary mass df. And the distance of P from x-axis, this is y. So to find y bar, we get the integration as y equal to 0 to the maximum value of y is 2 by 3 root 3, 2 by 3 root 3, and this is y into rho pi x square dy, and in the lower integration this is 0, 2 by 3 root 3, this is only rho pi x square dy. Okay, and we cancel out rho pi both sides. Now here y this is equal to x minus x cube, so dy this is equal to 1 minus 3 x square into dx. We put here the value of dy and y also. Y is x minus x cube into x square into 1 minus 3x square into dx. Okay, and in the lower portion we put x square into 1 minus 3x square dx. And in this case the range of x, since the range of y from 0 to 2 by 3 root 3, and the range of x is from 0 to 1, because the maximum value of x is 0 to 1. Okay, so x this is equal to 0 to 1 and x equal to 0 to 1. So we get 0 to 1, and this is x cube minus x to the power 5 into 1 minus 3x square dx by this is 0 to 1, this is x square minus 3 x to the power 4 dx, and multiplying the upper integrand, integration 0 to 1, this is x cube minus 3 x to the power 5, this is minus x to the power 5 minus x to the power 5 plus 3 x to the power 7 dx by integration 0 to 1, we make the integration here, this is 1/3 minus 3 by 5. Okay, we put directly the range 0 to 1, and for the upper integration we get this is 1 by 4, and the second term is 3 by 6, this is 1 by 6, this is 3 by 8 by, and from this term we get 5 minus 9 by 15. Calculating upper portion, we get the value is minus 1 by 24, and from the lower portion this is minus 4 by 15. So 1 by 24 into 15 by 4, and this gives 3, 5, 15, 3, 8, 24. So this is 5 by 32. Hence the coordinate of CG, G of the revolution, volume of revolution is given by 0, 5 by 30. Okay, this is our final answer. Thank you for watching.